See, there we entered 4,000, 10,000 and 2,000 only. So we have here total 16,000. We have entered only with order type. That's why we have seen only 4,000, 10,000, 2,000 only there. Sorry. Settlement. When you do settlement, this is also like running test run and real run also must be done here like that. After settlement, this amount must be become 0 after the settlement. See, because all these cost elements are transferred to the our production cost centers. You know, there was 088 business event is there. See, sorry, my mouse is in trouble. This is the business event, and this is due to month end activity. We have only given here periods, month end period 7 and 7 in 2018. This is keep test run, and so first test run we do here. Then execute it. Click on this symbol. So click on this symbol, overview symbol. Here you can see how costs are transferred and how cost centers are received expenses here. See our sender. See, sender order business. This is the order, our real order. This is the sender. 16,000. See, 60%. This is the 9,600 and 40% 6,400. When we click on sender, see, this is the total element sender 16,000 rupees. 16,000 rupees are sent like this. 9,600 to the production center 1 and production center 2 is received 6,400 rupees. This is 40% and that is 60%. You can see when you click on receivers, you can see the reports. See, click on receivers. Both the options are there. See here, receiver and sender. When you click on sender, we can sender reports. We can see the sender reports. When you click on receiver, and we can see receiver reports. If you want to see the settlement rule, also we can see here how the costs are settled to the production centers. Production cost centers, right? See, sender receivers. These are the receivers. These are the production cost receivers, cost centers. These are 9,600 for the production cost, 6,400 for this production 2. If you run cost center report also, we can see there. After that, we come back and take the tick mark in the test run. We can execute. That is the test run now. Now we see After removing test run, what happens here? See here. All the costs are zero here, become zero here, because these are settled to the production cost centers. So all this amount are transferred to production cost centers. That's why it became zero amounts here. All the other and advertisement, stall rent all became zero. See how they received this amount also. All these 4,000, 10,000, 2,000 is sent to the secondary cost element 10002 and 9,600 out of this total amount 60% and 40% from this amount. See how amounts are settled here, because we see here total became zero. If you run case B1 report, cost center reports 100, you can see cost center wise also what happens today. See order settlements. In the 10 cost and production one, so many cost elements are there, but we see just only 9,600 rupees, and you see order settlement is 6,400 rupees. If you want to see complete reports, just filter the data, just add the posting date and transfer business transaction date here. If you want to detail information, see our number range is KOAO, which are assigned KOAO, and date is month and activity. This is month and activity. See 31/7 and 2018, 9,600 rupees. The same way we can see here RKIU. Sorry. Sorry, KOAO, this one, 6,400 rupees. RKIU is the statistical order. In the statistical order, we can see the number range RKIU. KOAO is our 6,400 rupees order settlement. See here. This is my demonstration for this day. Thanks for the opportunity to the Chanu sir. That's it for